To turn on or turn off virus and threat protection files or activities are blocked notification. In Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click on top Start menu icon, and then click on top Settings. Select Update and Security, and then select Windows Security. Select Open Windows Security, and then tap Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down screen, and then tap on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Tap Manage Settings. Scroll down screen. Tap Check Notification Settings, and then check files or activities are blocked to turn on or unchecked to turn off. Check files or activities are blocked to turn on virus threat protection notifications or unchecked to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.